Have you been wondering or wanting to increase your computer's video RAM graphics without any software? Come on, let's do it. One way to update your graphics card is to go to the Device Manager and click on the display adapters. Then you right-click on the card you want and select Update Drivers and click on Search automatically for drivers. Sit and relax till it's done. You need to be connected to the internet before you start searching for drivers. You may see the best drivers for your device are already installed, and that's fine. Now, let's check the size of the graphics card for the second step. Right-click on Desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Click on Display Adapter Properties for display. Here you find the total available graphics memory, the dedicated video memory, system video memory, and share system memory. Now, let's proceed to the final step to increase the dedicated video memory. Press Windows plus R and type in Regedit and press Enter. Expand HKey Local Machine. Select Software and scroll down till you find Intel. Right-click on the Intel and go to New and select Key. Now type in GMM in caps as shown on the screen and hit Enter. Right-click on the empty space and go to New and select Dword 32-bit value. Here, you type in dedicated segment size as shown. Hit Enter and right-click on it. Select Modify. Over here, the value you will input will depend on the total video memory of your computer. As you can see, 2 GB memory will be 256, and the rest is shown in the chart. My PC has 2 GB memory, so I will input 256. Once done, click on OK and close it. Now restart your PC and enjoy the increase in your dedicated video memory. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.